this is an international language testing system which is powered by IDP and assess the level of candidate. And so my name is Anisha and I am here to the conduct of speaking of candidate number is 110643, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you ready for speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Well, my name is Arpandeep Singh. You can call me by my first name, that's Arpan.
Okay, are you working or student?
Well, I'm a student. Recently, I have done my bachelor's in electrical engineering.
Okay. And I asked some question related to your age, right? Are you happy to be the age you are now?
Yes, of course, I'm happy to be in my age that I'm 21 years old, and now I completed my bachelor's degree in 21 years, and I have a lot of time to think about my future, and now I prefer to go abroad for my higher studies.
Okay. When you were a child, did you think a lot about your future?
Not a lot, but yes, it's my dream to become an engineer, and later on I think that I should go abroad for my higher studies to get a quality education.
Okay. Do people change as they grow older?
Yes, of course, people will change as they grow old because they get matured enough day by day, and every day they have to learn something new, and
Do you think you have changed as you have got older?
yes, I changed a lot because in my child I'm very stubborn, and I'm very short-tempered. With growing old, I learned to control my anger, and I learn how to act mature. But I also think that I'm not enough mature. But I think I changes with the time, passage of time.
Okay. What will be different about your life in the future?
Well, I want to go to abroad for my higher studies to get quality education, and I will think about my future in abroad, to settle in abroad also.
Is childhood the happiest time in a person's life?
Yes, of course, childhood is the happiest time in person's life, because in childhood they have no responsibilities, they don't have to worry about anything, they just live their present, and they just do their activities and have fun.
Okay. What kind of celebrations are common in your country?
Well, generally our wedding and birthday celebrations are common in my country.
Is patriotism a kind of celebration?
Yes, of course, patriotism is also a good celebration.
Why do people care so much about national sports team?
In national sports team, they will get a chance to represent their nation and represent their country. So it's a feeling of proud for their family or by himself.
Do all people in your country take part in the same celebrations?
Yes, of course, every people participate in the celebration.
How has the ways people celebrate changed?
Sorry.
How has the ways people celebrate changed?
in a meantime, people have enough time, and there is not a lot of technology, so people have more time to celebrate every festival and every patriotism celebration. And but as the time goes, the technology is introduced, so now people are very busy in their lives, so people don't have enough time to celebrate every festival. Or
Would you lend someone your phone to make a phone call?
yes, of course, if there is someone is in need, then I definitely give my phone.
Would you ever lend friend money?
I would not prefer, but I remember 3 months ago I have to borrow money from my friend because I got fined by a police officer with the wrong parking area.
Okay. Have you ever borrowed a book for someone else?
Yes, of course, I borrowed in my bachelor's degree. I borrowed some books from my friends to study, from my seniors.
Okay. And your cue card is describe a time when someone apologized to you and you should say when this happened, what you were doing, who apologized to you, and explain why they apologized to you. You have to prepare a topic 1 minute. After 1 minute you will be start. Okay, and your time is starts now. You start.
Please change to that. Well, generally people are not apologize for their mistakes because of their ego and attitude towards the people. I remember the time when my friend apologized to me for
Yes, continue. Okay, I asked some follow-up questions related to your FUCA topic. What kind of people are most likely to say sorry?
Well, the mature ones are generally say sorry because they are mature enough to accept their mistakes and says apologize to others.
In what situation do you think people need to or should apologize?
Well, if someone intentionally or unintentionally hurt their feelings, then people likely to apologize for them.
Okay. What do you think of those people who don't apologize very often?
Well, I think they are very immature because they have a ego. Like they think that if we say sorry, then he then he or she think that it may down their personality to others, and they think.
Okay. When was the last time you found it hard to accept an apology?
Well, I generally I accept my mistakes because with the mistake you have to learn new things, and I don't remember that I was having hard to accept my mistakes because if I know that I do something wrong to others or hurt their feelings, then I immediately said sorry to apologize.
Okay, thank you, Arpandeep. Have a
Thank you
nice
so
day.
much.